the new grommet is really quite stiff. It's not at all flexible or pliable, if you like. As you can see there by the way I'm pressing it, this side is easier, but of course the critical side is going to be this side as it pushes through. So what I'm going to do is just drop it in some hot water here while I'm taking apart the cover and so on the car, so it should warm up and become somewhat more flexible. Okay, so let's just get it out of the hot water and take a look at it. And now we can see it's really flexible. So I'm not going to hang around. It's time to get it on the car before it cools down.